What does this blueberry muffin have to do with digital accessibility? Well, let me tell you. Can you imagine how difficult it would be to add the blueberries after the muffin has been baked? I've tried and it's nigh on impossible. But if you add the blueberries at the beginning of the process, then you get this beautifully baked muffin that is just delicious. Now that's just like digital accessibility. If you don't have it in your process right at the very beginning, say the design phase, then how can you ever expect it to be there at the end? Ooh, a tower of blueberry muffins. Now just imagine if all websites and apps were accessible. They too would be irresistible.